Welcome to solverfy.
In this question, we are given this situation. So there's a link AB that rotates with an angular velocity of 3 radians per second. And then in this question, we want to determine the velocity of block C and angular velocity of the link BC at the instance when theta equals to 45 degrees. Theta is this angle. Okay, this is theta. And then we need to sketch the position of link BC when theta equals to 60 degrees, 45 degrees, and 30 degrees to show its general plane motion. Okay, so let's just write down the given information. So omega AB is 3k radians per second. And then we are also given that the position vector of from A to B is actually 0.5 times cosine 45 degrees I plus sine 45 degrees J. Okay, so using this tool, we can determine VB. Okay, it's just omega AB cross RAB, 3K cross 0.5 cosine 45 degrees I plus sine 45 degrees J. Okay, so this is 1.5 root 2 over 2. K cross I gives J, and then K cross J gives minus I. Okay, so this is 0.75 square root 2 minus I plus J. Okay. Okay, then we can use the velocity, relative velocity equation. Vc equals to Vb plus omega Vc cross R, the position of C relative to point B. Okay, so Vb is 0.75 root 2 minus I plus J. Okay. Then omega BC will just be some generic omega, and it's in the K direction. And then cross 1.5 I. Okay, so point B is here, point C is here, it's 1.5 meters to the right. Okay, so it's 1.5 I. And then from the diagram, VC has to be in the I direction. Okay, and it's going to be negative because as link AB rotates counterclockwise, C is going to move to the left. Okay, so we just continue to do this part. So 0.75 square root 2 minus I plus J plus, so 1.5 omega BC, K cross I gives J. Okay, so BCI is 0.75 root 2 minus I plus 0.75 root 2 plus 1.5 omega BC J. Okay, so we'll be comparing components. Okay, so for the x component, we get VC is equal to 0.75 square root 2. So this is 1.06 meters per second. And then for the y component, okay, so we have 1.5 omega BC is equal to negative 0.75 square root 2 So omega BC is negative square root 2 over 2. This is negative 0.707 radians per second. So this just shows you that this is clockwise. Okay. Then when you're asked to sketch the positions of the link BC, so this is how the diagram looks like. So this is point A, and then this is point B, and then these are the positions for point C. Okay. So for the blue line is when the theta is 30 degrees, the black line is when theta is 45 degrees, and then the green line is when theta is 60 degrees. Okay. So just to recap the answers here, so VC is 1.06 meters per second to the left, and then omega BC is minus 0.707 radians per second. Okay, so it's rotating clockwise. Okay, so meaning BC is rotating like this. Okay, yeah, with magnitude 0.707. Okay, so okay, that's all.